$100 per day is around $36,000 in a year. If you can keep on doing whatever you currently do to make money, maybe go to a job or you're self-employed, but if you can find a way to add $100 every single day to your income, you'll be making around $36,000 more in a year. So in this video, I want to talk about 5 different ways to make $100 every single day. And comment below and tell me, what would you do with an additional $100 every single day? Would you invest that money in the stock market? Would you purchase Bitcoin? Would you save it to pay down on a duplex or an investment property? Or what would you do with $36,000 this year? Now, a very quick reminder here before I give you the 5 methods of making $100 every single day. If you're new to the channel and you're watching one of my videos for the very first time, my name is Ian, and I post videos here on YouTube every single day on topics relating to making money and personal finance. So if you'd like to see more of these videos, give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel and turning on all the notifications. And that way you'll be able to get the updates every day when I post a new video here. Now, these methods of making money will either require no money up front, or you'll spend less than $100 to get them going. So even if you make minimum wage or you don't make a lot of money, these are still ideas that you can use. Now, the first one is of course my favorite, and this is affiliate marketing. There are 2 main places to sign up for affiliate marketing, and these are Amazon affiliates and also ClickBank affiliates. I like Amazon affiliates more, and I would recommend it more because not everybody may want your products on ClickBank or use ClickBank, but almost everybody uses Amazon. Amazon affiliates is also very good because even though people may not purchase the products that you refer them to, you'll still get commissions on whatever else they choose to purchase on Amazon. It's the easiest way to make money on the internet right now. If you're doing Cash App flips and Cash App Fridays, then you're wasting your time because you could make $1,000 right now legitimately from Amazon affiliates, and it's not going to cost you anything to start. And if you're wondering why I just mentioned Cash App flips or Cash App Fridays, it's because I made a video about that and it got 1,000 views in less than 24 hours. But whenever I made videos about ways to make money, I only get 10 views in 24 hours. I don't know what's up with that. If you know, comment below and let me know. But let's move on. Now, there are 3 things that you need to pull this off. You need an affiliate program, which is Amazon, and you can sign up there, and you also need a program or a platform rather, where you can create content based around the products that you're going to be referring to people, and then you need social media. So you can use your own social media accounts, or you can create new ones for this affiliate business, and then you should also create a blog, and you can create a blog for free. I'll leave a link below where you can create your own blog and customize it and have your own URL for free. You then create content around the products that you want to refer people to, and you also use social media to drive traffic either directly to affiliate products or to your blog where they can learn more about these products, and then they can be sent to the different affiliate programs. Now, each time someone makes a purchase, you get a percentage, which could be anywhere from 3 to 60% off the sale. I know this because I do affiliate marketing, and usually you'll earn around 5 to 10% in commissions, and sometimes you earn up to around 40% on certain products or services that you refer people to. So method number 1 for making $100 per day and possibly a lot more is affiliate marketing. Now, the second way to make $100 every single day is by offering your services to businesses. You can start a business as a social media manager, for example, where you get paid by businesses to manage your social media accounts, which won't cost you anything to do, and they'll hire you because they either don't know how to do it themselves, or maybe they know how to do it, but they don't have the time, and instead of hiring a social media team, which is going to cost them hundreds of thousands of dollars per year, they can instead hire you to do it. This could include managing pages, making posts, replying to messages, and comments on their social media pages, and you can do this on all platforms that the business has. A second part to this method is by getting them new business from social media. So for instance, let's say they currently didn't get any sales or business from social media. You could then, in addition to providing social media management, tell them that, hey, I will use my knowledge and my expertise of social media to market your brand, and I'm going to get you 100 more sales from social media every month or 1,000 more sales from social media every month. You then negotiate a commission-based structure where you can propose that they pay you 1 or 5% of the sales generated from your marketing efforts on social media. And if you can get someone more sales without them having to pay you anything for it up front, then usually 9 times out of 10, they will be willing and happy to pay you for the sales that you can consistently generate for them. So don't just manage social media, but also think about getting paid for the business that you can provide to them. Again, this method is completely free and all you really need is social proof. So you want to create your own business pages and you want to have them looking professional with a regular post and a decent following, and then you can use your own page to show them what you can do for them. You already use social media, so you might as well start getting paid to being on it every single day. Now, the next method of making $100 per day and a lot more is by selling t-shirts, mugs, hats, and similar clothing and apparel. You can do this with no money, and to do this, all you really have to do is to sign up for Teespring and use their print-on-demand service. So, for example, let's say you have a cool idea for a t-shirt and you want to create a t-shirt, right? You could start your own t-shirt business, which will work, and I'll leave a link to that video that I made about that, but it's going to cost you some money to start, and you're also going to have to deal with shipping and returns and customer support. But if you use a print-on-demand service like Teespring, then you don't really have any of those issues. You simply sign up on the website, and I'll be leaving a link below to it, and then you upload your design. You choose the type of clothing, the sizes, the colors, and then you have a Teespring shop. This is all completely free for you. When someone goes to your Teespring shop and they make a purchase, Teespring will actually print the shirts and ship them to the buyer for you, and then Teespring will take a cut from the sale and then you'll get paid. So you get paid for your idea, but you really don't do anything else. Very, very easy method of making money online today. Now, this is what a lot of influencers do, and even people here on YouTube. They will usually have merch below their videos, which links to a Teespring store, and once you purchase, Teespring will handle everything and then send them some money after the sale. They don't really have to do anything else. So the only thing you have left to do here is to get people to visit your Teespring store, and you don't need to pay to do this either. You can use the power of social media to get this done, and I would recommend using Instagram or Facebook, whichever one you like more, but you want to find out how the algorithm works on these social media platforms or even on TikTok. So the easiest way to do this is to go on the platform that you want to use and then find influencers or people who are already using Teespring to sell clothing and then see what they do. That way you can quickly tell what works and what doesn't. Create your own business page for your brand and watch some YouTube videos that explain how the algorithm works and also tells you when you should post, how often you should post, what types of tags to use, and this way you can grow your following and get your following to then go to your Teespring store, and then you'll get sales. So I know it sounds like a lot, but this entire method is completely free and other people are doing it, so you can definitely do this as well. Now, the fourth way to make money or to make $100 every single day is by freelancing, and again, this will cost you nothing to start. I'm leaving a link below to Fiverr, and if you sign up for Fiverr, you can monetize any skills that you already have. If you can write really well, or you can narrate someone's YouTube videos, or you can use Photoshop really well, and just about anything you can think of, right? Someone on Fiverr will pay you for your skills, and although most gigs on Fiverr only start at about $5, you can set your own price. So if you're going to edit someone's YouTube videos, for example, you can charge $100 or more instead of $5. This method is good because you don't really have to do anything new and you really don't have to learn anything new. All you do is list the skills that you already have as a service, and then people will come to you and purchase to use your services. So if you need to start making some money right now, be sure to sign up for Fiverr. Now, finally, the last way on this list to make $100 per day is to take videos from YouTube, tweak them a little, and then re-upload them. This is when you take videos which are licensed so that other people can use them and you can use them under fair use. So you could look up videos on cars, for example, and then you can take clips from these videos and then combine those clips and make a top 10 or top 3 video, for example. And that way, although you're reusing content, it's under fair use. It looks different and you can create your own thumbnails to go along with it. To do this, you need to search on YouTube for the videos you want and then filter the results by Creative Commons, and then you'll see a listing of all videos that you can reuse without getting into any copyright trouble. You then use a free online tool to download the videos. You can either add or subtract using a free video editing tool, and then you give them your own titles and thumbnails, and you'll easily be able to create a YouTube channel around whatever you want to without actually making any videos yourself. This way, you can post multiple videos frequently, get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, which is required to be monetized, and then you can earn $100, if not a lot more, on YouTube per day in ad revenue. I wish I knew about this before, but I didn't. But now that I do know, I will be doing this as well. So 5 really simple and easy ways to make $100 per day from the internet that won't cost you anything to start. Comment below and let me know which one of these methods you like more and why you like it, and if you'll be doing any of them. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up as it helps the channel out a lot. I'll really appreciate it. Subscribe and hit the notification icon so you get the updates every day when I post a new video here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.